In 2020, we completed an important part of our sustainability programme. After 5 years of hard work, we achieved most of our goals, including 100% of sustainable timber, yearly improvements in collaboration projects, 30% women at all levels of management, partnerships with food banks around the world, and many more. Our circular business and our impact in the whole supply chain has positioned us as a global leader in sustainability. But there is much more we can do. What if we go beyond reducing the negative effects of the world's activities, aiming to have a positive impact? Imagine we change the rules of the game and transform how we deliver life's essentials every day. The supply chain that, rather than consuming resources and producing waste, would produce resources and eliminate waste. Imagine a regenerative supply chain. Imagine that we make sure that 2 trees are grown for every tree that is used, adding millions and millions of new trees to the planet. That we eliminate all the emissions of our operations and fight climate change in the whole supply chain. Imagine that we convert damaging existing waste and single-use plastic into durable, reusable products. And that we transform our customers' supply chains, making them more circular and sustainable. Imagine that we embrace diversity in all its aspects, creating an equitable supply chain workforce. Serving food to millions of people in need. Imagine that we inspire millions to advocate for the circular economy the world needs now. We believe that reuse, resilience and regeneration are the solution. We want to lead a positive transformation, pioneering regenerative supply chains. Are you ready to join us?